are our tips on moving out day and what you should do. Before you close the door for the very last time on the home that you've just sold, there are a number of points to consider. Using the philosophy, treat others as you wish to be treated, is the best practice. Here are some tips to consider. You must leave the fixtures and fittings and other contents that you have itemized in the vendor's fixtures and fittings list approved by you and given to your solicitor in the contract of sale. Also, remember any items in the sales particulars of your property that form part of the contract and the sale should remain for the new buyers. You cannot leave extra items not specified in the fixtures and fittings list and contractually obliged not to leave items not specified. So if you decide to leave a sofa or curtains, the new owners could invoice you for having these items removed. Always check the attic space for the removal of stored items which you may have not known about or forgotten were stored there. There is no obligation to have your home professionally cleaned unless specified in the contract of sale. However, your home should be clean, tidy and no rubbish left on the premises. Do not remove light bulbs, as this is an unwelcome surprise for new owners and an immediate loss of goodwill. Ensure that the lawns have been mowed and hedges trimmed. Again, this is not obligatory but good practice. Do not remove any plants or flowers from the garden unless these have been specified and itemized in the contract of sale. During the move, if your removers have accidentally damaged the property, advise your solicitor and also your estate agent that these will be made good or replaced. Leave a list of useful information such as the location of the water stopcock, location and keys for gas and electricity meter cupboards, instructions on how the central heating works, burglar alarm code and the day's rubbish and recycling is collected. Do not forget to take your final meter readings on the day that you move. Ensure that your estate agent has a set of keys for the day of completion. Ideally, the estate agent should receive these keys the day before or at the very latest by 12 noon on the day of completion. The estate agent will release the keys to the buyers once authorization has been received from your solicitor and that completion monies have all been transferred. If you are holding keys, do not pass them on to the buyers until your solicitor has authorized this. Finally, why not leave a bunch of flowers and a bottle of champagne for your new homeowners? This will create a good impression and the new occupiers will have a feeling they've purchased a house from a caring family. Hopefully they'll do the same when they move on in a few years' time.